Hello everyone, and welcome back to another tutorial on the Problem Solving channel. Today we're going to solve a fun and straightforward problem from Codeforces called Problem 266B, Queue at the School. If you're just getting started with programming, this video will walk you through the problem step by step. Let's get into it. In this problem, we have a queue of boys and girls. Boys are represented by B, and girls are represented by G. The queue is special because every second, if a boy is standing directly in front of a girl, they will swap places. We're given the initial queue and the number of seconds t. After t seconds, we need to figure out the final arrangement of the queue. If a B is standing in front of a G, they swap. Otherwise, nothing happens. Let's break down the approach to solve this problem step by step. 1. First, we take two inputs, the number of students n and the number of seconds t for which the process will happen. 2. We take another input which represents the initial queue of boys and girls. 3. For each second, we loop through the queue and check if a B is followed by a G. If we find such a pair, we swap them. 4. We repeat this process for t seconds and then output the final arrangement. Now, let's walk through the code. First, we define a helper function, getIndices, that finds the positions of all the girls, G, in the queue. We loop through the strings and add the indices of the G's to a list A. After that, we take two inputs, N, the number of students, and T, the number of seconds, using input.split. Next, we take the initial queue as input and convert the string into a list, input string, so that we can modify it easily. Now, we enter a loop that runs for t seconds. Inside the loop, we call getIndices to get the positions of all the girls in the current state of the queue. For each girl's position, we check if the previous character in the queue is a boy, B. If it is, we swap their places by modifying input string. After we've processed all the swaps for that second, we update the queue and decrement the time t. Once the loop is done, we print the final state of the queue. Now let's understand why this works. The function getIndices helps us find the positions of all the girls in the queue. This way, we can check for a boy in front of each girl and swap them if necessary. By looping through this process to times, we ensure that after each second, the boys move behind the girls if they're supposed to. And that's it. We've solved the problem by simulating how the boys and girls move in the queue every second. It's a simple yet interesting way to practice basic loops and conditions. The code for this solution is available in the comment below. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and tap the bell icon for more problem-solving content. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.